Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham Angga Pranata, student from the Faculty of Letters at Universitas Abdurrahman Saleh Situbondo. In this presentation, I will explain the result of a study entitled Analysis of Presupposition in Elon Musk interview at Cannes Lions 2024. For the research background, in the future, artificial intelligence, which can be called AI, will become part of people's daily life to make their work easier. Artificial intelligence is a human-made intelligent machine that is able to solve all problems and help every human job. In effect, artificial intelligence has the potential to make driving safer, help children learn more effectively, and improve people's life in many other ways. Artificial intelligence technology is also often discussed by various public figures about artificial intelligence, such as public figure named Elon Musk, who is an expert in the field of the technology, who really likes to innovate a series of technology that he's created. In the Cannes Lions 2024 interview, Elon Musk spoke about the topic of artificial intelligence and how it affects the development of creativity. In communication, especially public interview, speakers often make as assumption that they expect the audience to accept as truth. These assumptions are called presuppositions, and they play an important role in helping listeners understand and the speaker intention clearly. In this research, there are two objectives. The first one is to identify types of presupposition Elon Musk used in his interview at Cannes Lions 2024, and the second, to identify advantages of presupposition found in Elon Musk's interview at Cannes Lions 2024. For review of literature, there are several theories used in this research. For the first, pragmatic presupposition types and advantages of presupposition. For the first is pragmatic. According to Yule 996, pragmatic is concerned with the study of meaning as communicated by a speaker or writer and interpreted by a listener or reader. And the second, presupposition. According to Yule 996, presupposition is something the speaker assumes to be the case prior to making an utterance. This assumption is not revealed directly but is accepted as a fact by both parties in communication because it reflects the assumption of knowledge that is considered correct by the speaker before delivering a statement. For example, a word John car is fast, which means that John has a car. For the presupposition, you'll classify presupposition into six types. For the first, existential presupposition is presupposition assume the existence of something. For example, my laptop is broken. Presuppose that I have a laptop. Second, factive presupposition is presupposition triggered by verbs that imply truth, such as know, realize, regret. For example, she knows that he left, presuppose that he indeed left. Third, lexical presupposition is presupposition triggered by specific words, such as stop, continue, again, manage to. For example, he stopped smoking. Presuppose that he used to smoke. For the number 4, structural presupposition is triggered by certain sentence structure like question, For example, where did you study? Presuppose that you study somewhere. Number 5, non-factive presupposition is presupposition triggered by verbs such as dream, image, think. For example, I think that John is rich. Presupposition it's possible that John is rich. And number 6, counterfactual presupposition is presupposition assume something that is contrary to the fact, often using if or wish. For example, if I were rich, presuppose that I'm not rich. For advantages of presupposition, according to Stanaker 974, Stanaker explained that presupposition provide for a kind of advantages in communication. For the first, truth condition is help message be interpreted according to shared reality without changing the semantics. For the number 2, entailment separator is separates presupposition from entailment in meaning analysis. The third strength is some presuppositions are strong, hard to reject, while others are weak. And the last is rational strategy, is presupposition help speaker and listeners share background, assumption, communication become more efficient and persuasive. In next is previous study, is have the several studies have discussed presupposition in different contexts. First is G 2025 examine presupposition in podcast interviews, while Soleha 2022 analyzed their types in the Frozen movie script. Ananda 2016 focused on the functions of presupposition in advertisement slogans in the Jakarta Post. And the last is October 2013 identify presupposition types in short story using Yule 996 framework. Research gap. Most previous studies analyze number 1, types of presupposition, number 2, function of presupposition. However, very few studies examine first using the advantages of presupposition, second, application of Stanaker 974 theory. Next method for research design. This research use a qualitative method which aim to describe and interpret meaning from natural communication data. And then data source. The data were taken from Elon Musk's full interview at Cannes Lions 2024, which is discuss AI, creativity, and the future of X. And third, technique of data collection. The researcher watched the interview several times. Second, selecting Elon Musk utterance containing presupposition, and the last, write down Elon Musk utterance containing presupposition. And the next is technique of data analysis. The analysis follows spreadly 900 AD, consisting of, for the first, domain analysis is identifying general categories related to presupposition in the interview. Second, taxonomic analysis to organizing data into structure based on types and advantages of presupposition. Third, componential analysis to comparing the presence of the types versus advantages. Number 4, or the last, cultural tense analysis, interpreting broader pattern in Elon Musk's communication style and intention. This is example table of taxonomic analysis, and this is example table of componential analysis, and this is table of componential analysis presupposition from the result of these studies. The next is finding and discussion. There are result analysis type of presupposition from table componential analysis with result 107 presupposition data points. Types. The most dominant types in existential presupposition with 46 data, because Elon Musk often mentioned real entities such as AI, X, advertising at SpaceX, and global communication. Second dominant type is non-factive presupposition with 40 data, because Elon Musk frequently expresses opinion and prediction using I think. Third, the least type is counterfactual presupposition with only one data found in the entire interview, because Elon Musk rarely talks about situations that contradict reality. His communication style tends to be factual and predictive. The result analysis advantages of presupposition from table componential analysis, namely, first, the most dominant advantages of presupposition is rational strategy with 96 data, because these advantages appear when presupposition help the speaker shape the listener understanding by appealing to shared assumptions. And second, the least advantages of presupposition is truth condition with 14 data, because truth condition is triggered when the presupposition help the listener understand information based on shared reality. In interview, Elon Musk speak more about possibilities and ideas than about confirmed fact. Third, the analysis found no data indicating entailment sperator advantages or strength advantages. Entailment sperator is presupposition must be distinguished from entailment to avoid semantic conflict. In Elon Musk's interview, he rarely used complex or layered sentence, and strength advantages refer to presuppositions that are very strong and cannot be rejected for the sentence to make sense. And next discussion. These are the result of the comparison and similarities between this research and previous study. For the first, the types of presupposition that frequently appear in this study is non-factive, where in previous studies it was existential. Second, the type of presupposition that rarely appear in this research is structural. Furthermore, this type was also found in small amount in G 2025 research. And the last, in several previous studies, it was also relative fine non-factive and counterfactual. They prioritize the certainty of information. And next is conclusion. The study concludes that communication is important for sharing ideas and get mutual understanding, with presupposition can helping listener interpret meaning from context. Clear communication is need to avoid misunderstanding because people process messages differently. The findings show that Elon Musk often uses existential and non-factive presupposition and apply rational strategy to guide audience interpretation. Overall, presupposition enhance clarity or persuasive and offer insight for the future pragmatic research. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.